Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video we are going to see how to fix Bambu Lab A1 Mini Extruder skipping, causes and solutions for under extrusion. Fix 1. Check for a clogged nozzle. Heat the nozzle to the correct printing temperature for your filament. Unload the filament and use the nozzle cleaning pin or perform a cold pull to remove any debris. Reload the filament and test extrusion before starting another print. Pick 2. Increase the nozzle temperature. Verify that the selected filament profile matches the material you are using. Increase the nozzle temperature by 5 to 10 degrees Celsius and test again. Avoid printing specialty materials with PLA temperature settings. Fix 3. Reduce print speed. Lower the print speed or switch from sport or ludicrous mode to normal or silent mode. Reduce the maximum volumetric speed in your slicer if using custom filament settings. Pick 4. Inspect the extruder gears. Turn off the printer, open the extruder assembly according to the maintenance guide, then remove any plastic debris from the drive gears and ensure the gears rotate freely before reassembling. Fix 5. Check the filament path. Ensure the filament spool rotates smoothly. Remove any tangles or tight loops and verify that the filament guide tube is not bent or pinched. Then reload the filament completely. Fix 6. Inspect the filament cutter. Open the extruder and check that the cutter moves freely. Ensure it returns to its normal position after operation. Remove any debris blocking its movement. Fix 7. Perform printer calibration. Run auto calibration from the printer menu and complete bed leveling and vibration calibration. Start a small test print to verify smooth extrusion. Fix 8. Replace worn components. If skipping continues after cleaning and calibration, inspect the extruder gears for wear. Check the nozzle for excessive wear or internal blockage. Replace damaged or worn parts with genuine replacements if necessary. Thanks for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.